All right, so welcome back to another daily bias price prediction. Today is Friday, September 6th. Today we have in the news non-farm payroll at 8:30. Typically I don't trade on non-farm payroll. This type of price action is a little too volatile for me. But what I do is expedite the challenge process. So that's what I'll be doing today. That basically means I'm going to take a one-shot, one-kill trade to pass or fail a prop firm challenge. Let's see. All right, starting with Dixie today. Yesterday we had a bearish bias. Looks like we got that move. Also with the disrespect of this would be potential bullish fair value gap, I'm going to continue to seek external range liquidity down at these lows. So the bias for Dixie remains the same. We are bearish. Bear with me while I take a screenshot of this. All right, moving over to CL. CL yesterday we had a bullish bias. It doesn't look like we received that move to the internal level. We did get a move up. Let me look on the 1 hour. Let's see if any entry was given yesterday. We'd be looking for liquidity injection around 11. I believe there was a news event Thursday. Let me check the calendar, bear with me. All right, so there was crude oil inventories at 11, so we'd be looking for manipulation at that time. So no, looks like we did not get that. So there was no position to be taken yesterday. All right, so today I remain bullish, seeking this internal level. We are below an external low. We do have a inefficiency right above price, so still looking for higher prices. Let me go ahead and screenshot this. All right, for ES. We were inside a bullish fair value gap. So we were looking for higher prices. We did not get that move. Looks like at this point today we're opening disrespecting this fair value gap, but that places us inside of another. With that being said, the bias remains bullish at this level, seeking this level, seeking a move right back here. The most current point of interest would be this swing right here. So being below this external level, we would seek this level here. Based on these two highs, looks like we would have low resistance liquidity. Let me look on the 1 hour. Yeah, low resistance to reach for at this level right here. So today with the news, I'm expecting a spike up. So we are still bullish with ES. Bear with me while I take another screenshot. All right, over to NQ. So yesterday on NQ, we were bullish. Seeking a move to this external level. After further consideration, I realized that this low was the closest point of interest. Therefore, I would seek from external to internal this level. And it looks like yesterday we did get that move. Okay. Let's see if there was a entry. So from the daily, you drop down to the hourly. At the time of the liquidity injection, we do sweep the lows. Is there a 5-minute position? $10 o'clock was the news, so double check the news for yesterday. Yeah, PMI was at 10 o'clock, so wouldn't take entry until this time here. And I am not seeing my entry function at that time. Now, I do know yesterday there was a position that formed earlier on the 15-minute. All right, so if you look on the 15-minute, the position, the manipulation happened earlier before the news injection, but it was confirmed right once the news was released. So right here you have the breaker on the 15-minute. Right here you have the short-term sweep of liquidity into the higher time frame, which on the 15-minute would be the 4-hour chart. So these lows would be 4 hours. 15-minute breaker is confirmed with this displacement through it, creating a fair value gap. Right here. So at this point, everything's confirmed, but you cannot take entry at 9:45. You have to wait till the news is released. So entry would be taking any time after this candle. And as you can see, it just shoots straight to target. Doesn't even give an entry on the 15-minute. But that's okay. Price played out just how we wanted it to. Your 2R would have been reached right about, yeah, right about there. So that was an opportunity. Well, could have been an opportunity yesterday. Either way, that's that. All right, back to the daily. Let's just see where we're at. All right, so we're still below that low. Being how this is the most recent point of interest, Actually, no, this is. All right, so yesterday we reached into the internal level. From internal, you move to external, which would be this level. So at this point, we are below another external level. So I'm looking for another reach back into the same level. Higher prices on NQ still. Let me take a screenshot of this. Really quick with the NQ trade from yesterday that was not taken. I wanted to do the top-down analysis. When you're entering on a 15-minute, on the 15-minute time frame, you're going from weekly, 4-hour, down to the 15. So you form your bias on the weekly, and this is what the weekly looks like. You're inside this internal range liquidity level, which would give you a bullish bias, okay? And then on the 4-hour chart, where is price at the opening time? At the opening time, 6 to 10, price was right here, just barely below this swing right here, okay? So your narrative is set. You're below a swing low on the 4-hour. Then you go to the 15 at the entry time, and you look for your entry function. As you can see, it did show itself, it just didn't supply an entry. So that is the top-down analysis. It goes weekly, 4-hour, down to the 15. I typically trade on the daily 1-hour down to the 5. You can also do 4-hour, 15 down to the 1. That's basically the time frame alignment. All right, so that's it. Quick recap. We are bearish dollar, bullish CL, bullish NQ, and bullish ES. That's all I have for today. Good luck. Take care.